Welcome, futures traders. Another day, another box smashed. Let's get right into it. June 15th, our first setup came in at 8 a.m. West Coast time on NQ. You can see the smash spike line hitting over 400, which is above our threshold. Keeping in mind we are above current point of control, this setup is ideal for buys. We draw our corresponding smash box in relation to the smash line from the subchart. When price comes back to the box, we hit buy. One contract was good for $1,300 profit. This is what trading with the institutions look like. We use real-time volume to dictate our trading zones, which gives us a much higher probability of success. When dealing in the world of hidden orders, iceberg orders, and stop-loss runs, volume is the only thing institutions can't hide from. Start trading with the pros and their real-time volume. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.